Hello, friends, and welcome to our channel. We are a group of forensic experts and ethical hackers. We work closely with government authorities like Maharashtra Police, Central Intelligence, and private clients as well. We help in cracking cases related to cybercrime and cyber frauds. Today, in this video, we are here to learn about a basic tool called FTK Imager. It is a very basic tool, but globally used. We will take a look at how to download it and how to install it in our systems. In our future videos, I will also teach how to use it in the fullest capability and also its functionalities. So, we are going to post very interesting and in-depth videos regarding digital forensics and ethical hacking. So, guys, let's get started in our today's video. So, guys, the very first step to install the FTK Imager is to go to your web browser. In this case, I'm going to use Google Chrome. In Google Chrome, in search tab, type FTK Imager and press enter. When you press enter, it will take us to this search page. In this case, I will use the link provided by Informant Technologies. Click on the link and it will direct you to this web page. On this web page, you will see a download button. Click on it and say download now. After clicking on the download now button, the web page will ask where do you want to download the exe file for the FTK Imager. In this case, I will give the path of my desktop and create a new folder called FTK install and say save. Here you can see the download has been started and this particular icon will show you the progress of your downloaded exe file. Here you can see there are various versions of the FTK. Here we have opted for the latest one, 3.4. Now open the directory where you have saved the installation file. That is our exe file. On this particular file, you just need to double click the file and the FTK imager will start installing. Give the necessary permissions and you can see it is preparing to install the FTK in our system. Now next, and accept all the license and agreement terms and conditions and say next. Here the FTK installer will ask where do you want to install the FTK program. I will keep the path as default in this case and say next and install. Yes, now our FTK imager has been installed and ready to use. Now we can say launch FTK imager or you can open it from the path you have installed. Say finish. And now our FTK imager has been installed and is ready to use. Here you can see all the functionalities, add evidence, add all attached devices, etc. In the next video, I will teach how to use the FTK imager to its fullest. Be tuned and be subscribed to get the latest updates. Thank you guys.